St. Mary, Jamaica, a high-level investigation has uncovered over 40 stolen vehicle found. Greetings, and salutations to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari, so we have people. Thank you for tuning in to the Rastaman channel. Help build up the Rastaman panel. A high-level investigation has unlaunched in St. Mary involving a criminal investigation branch and stolen motor vehicle unit, who are now looking into the case of 41 vehicles that were found scrapped in a section of the parish. According to the police, the initial investigation began over the weekend by chance when the owner of a stolen car made a report. The location of the car was discovered after the report was made, and tracker inside the car led police to the wooded area in the community. Imagine the community of Common, where 28 other motor vehicles were also initially found, according to Superintendent Bobbette Morgan Simpson, head of the St. Mary Police. A report from the newspaper noted that the superintendent said it's so happened that the owner of the Axio had a tracking device on the vehicle. So he tracked the vehicle and it led to an area called Common. You hear that? The people them in a Common, a swipe with vehicle. It was also mentioned that a Mark X went missing in the Three Hill area, and when the Axio was tracked, it also with other vehicles, most of which were Axios, were found. So it seems like they're targeting Axio. Simpson stated if it wasn't for the tracking device on the vehicle, it is highly unlikely that it would have been found. But because of the piece of technology, the vehicle was recovered, and in the process, other vehicles that was stolen was recovered and was subsequent up on the evidence a very big stolen motor vehicle ring. She made an appeal to the vehicle owner to make use of tracking device because of how helpful they were. Additionally, Simpson said that another 13 cars were located in Rocky Hill after further probe into the matter. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a shocking discovery here. So a St. Mary a gwan? Or what a gwan pan, what a gwan? St. Mary not good again. 41 stolen vehicles found. Where them found? Come on, me not talk about cow, come on. Hey, come on people, them have whole heap of scraps in a them scrap yard, I guess. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. It's
powerful, scientific, and economic.
That the people them found 41 vehicles stolen. And if it was not for the technology of a tracking device, they would not have stumbled on this stolen graveyard of car. They're mostly Axio, they said. So they're targeting Axio. People with Axio, you need to make sure you have a tracking device, an alarm, or even a club. Or just take off the negative off of the battery. So when them go in here and try to deal with it, them can't deal with it. Well, that is a good idea, but it don't work all the time. Because now me just told them what we would do. Ladies and gentlemen, subscribe, like, and share the content for the Rastaman. That's how we agitate the algorithms. YouTube, send it out to all my Jamaicans, especially the one them we have Axio. Hey, lock your car good. Come on, that's a no-no. St. Mary no good again. More life, more joy, more happiness.
eh.